Antarctica, an isolated continent encased in ice, seems to have frozen time, preserving ancient mysteries for countless centuries. Locked within its frigid embrace are enigmatic treasures, meteorites, fossils, and particles from distant realms, hidden from the world by its extreme cold. However, the advent of modern technology has enabled researchers to unearth these secrets, and their revelations are nothing short of astounding. Join us as we delve into the three most bewildering discoveries ever unearthed in Antarctica. Number 3. Pyramids of Antarctica. The frozen expanse of Antarctica holds a multitude of mysteries, and among them are images of pyramid-like structures emerging from its icy terrain. These ice-clad pyramids have ignited passionate debates about Antarctica's past and the intriguing possibility of a once thriving human civilization inhabiting its now desolate landscapes. The images of these pyramids reveal angular structures piercing through the snow and ice, bearing an uncanny resemblance to the iconic pyramids of Egypt. Their imposing and symmetrical shapes starkly contrast with the pristine white backdrop of Antarctica's otherwise featureless plains. Some proponents argue that these could be evidence of ancient human-made structures rather than natural landforms. They posit that these pyramid-like formations are clustered near Antarctica's coastlines and aligned with the compass points, reminiscent of Aztec or Mayan pyramid complexes. Their assertion is that the precise geometric characteristics imply intelligent design rather than random, icy shapes. On the fringes of scientific thought, some even suggest that these pyramids might be the result of ancient advanced civilizations or even alien activity. However, mainstream scientific consensus leans toward a different explanation. These formations are more likely nuntaks, which are rocky peaks that protrude through glacial ice. Nuntaks are the remnants of mountain peaks that rise above the ice sheet, often eroded into sharp pyramidal shapes by glacial forces. Examples of such formations include the Matterhorn in the European Alps, Mount Asgard in Canada's Baffin Island, and Thurston Island's Mount Barcroft. Their tapered pyramidal appearance is the result of erosion gradually wearing down their slopes, as explained by conventional geology. Number 2. Antarctic fungi. In the icy heart of Antarctica, an extraordinary group of extremophile fungi thrives, defying the harsh and unforgiving conditions of this frozen realm. These Antarctic fungi have evolved to endure the most extreme cold, drought, and darkness that would swiftly extinguish most other life forms. Understanding the secrets behind their remarkable cold tolerance could hold invaluable insights for agriculture and medicine worldwide. Within the limited ice-free pockets of Antarctic soils, rocks, and exposed lakes, a diverse range of cold-loving fungi have managed to eke out an existence. Their mycelia infiltrate the scarce vegetation and nutrient sources available on this barren continent. Some of these Antarctic fungi even grow on beetle carcasses and algal mats found within melt zones. Their primary challenge lies in obtaining sufficient moisture in Antarctica's desert-like environment to thrive. In response to these extreme conditions, Antarctic fungi have developed specialized biological mechanisms to ensure the integrity of their cells. These fungi's enzymes and membranes remain functional even in temperatures below freezing, a feat that would cause most biological molecules to freeze. Some of them produce cryoprotectant compounds, acting as natural antifreeze agents to prevent the formation of intracellular ice crystals. Additionally, they carefully regulate water transport to prevent desiccation. Intriguingly, certain Antarctic fungi not only survive, but thrive in colder temperatures, in contrast to their counterparts in other regions that prefer warmth. The exact adaptation mechanisms of these cold-loving or cyclophilic fungi are still under active research. Unlocking the genetic and molecular basis of Antarctic fungi's cellular cold tolerance could lead to biotechnological innovations aimed at enhancing the freezing resistance of agricultural crops. Antarctica's relatively simple fungal communities make them ideal models for studying adaptation free from the complicating factors encountered in temperate studies. The fungi of Antarctica exemplify adaptation at its most extreme. As Antarctica's ice sheets recede due to climate change, the question arises: what survival secrets of these fungi will be unveiled as new terrain emerges? Number 1. Organism 46b. Deep within the eternal darkness beneath Antarctica's icy canopy, a mysterious entity lies concealed. During an expedition to the remote Lake Vostok, buried beneath a staggering 4 kilometers of Antarctic ice, Russian scientists stumbled upon a colossal creature resembling a squid. They christened it Organism 46b, and its reaction to their presence was far from welcoming. This enigmatic being is said to inhabit the pitch-black waters of subglacial Lake Vostok, an oxygen-rich environment teeming with life that has been sealed for over 15 million years beneath Antarctica's ice sheet. In 2012, as scientists finally breached this time-locked lake, their drilling equipment mysteriously ceased to function. The equipment showed signs of severe damage, suggesting an immensely powerful force had torn it away. Terrified by this encounter, the scientists promptly activated their emergency systems and hurriedly resurfaced. According to purported accounts, Organism 46b boasts an astonishing 14 tentacles, each extending up to 30 feet, and it fiercely defended its icy domain by attacking the intruding equipment. In 2013, a subsequent attempt successfully extracted a water sample from Lake Vostok, revealing DNA from more than 3,500 distinct organisms. However, no genetic match was found for the alleged 10-meter Leviathan. Instead, researchers detected an enigmatic, unbranched genetic fragment that bore no resemblance to any known earthly organisms. Could this genetic anomaly be attributed to the elusive Organism 46b? While the existence of this creature remains unconfirmed, some scientists entertain the possibility that it could be an undiscovered giant species of Antarctic octopus or squid, evolving in isolation within the secluded confines of the buried lake over countless millennia. The high oxygen levels in Lake Vostok could theoretically sustain larger life forms. Nonetheless, the absence of physical evidence or video footage has relegated Organism 46b to the realm of cryptids, mysterious creatures more entwined in myth than substantiated fact. The tales of a territorial, formidable beast guarding Antarctica's hidden waters continue to captivate the imagination. With over 400 subglacial lakes now documented across Antarctica, one cannot help but wonder what other peculiar organisms or microbes hitherto unknown to science might reside within these extreme, frozen sanctuaries, isolated for countless ages. Thanks for watching Science Nomad. We will see you next time.